Presenting Samsung Galaxy M53 5G smartphone. It comes in a size of 0.7 into 7.7 into 16.5 centimeters and weighs 176 grams. This phone comes in two color variants, Ocean Blue and Mystic Green. This smartphone comes with 6GB RAM and 128GB internal memory that is expandable up to 1 TB. And it is also available in 8GB RAM and 128GB internal memory. The 6.7 inches Super AMOLED Plus FHD Plus display comes with a resolution of 1080 into 2400 pixels and a refresh rate of 120Hz. The smartphone is equipped with 108 megapixel quad camera setup and features like single take, object eraser and photo remaster. It also comes with the latest One UI 4 powered by Android 12 OS and MTK D900 octa-core 2.4 GHz 6nm processor with 4x4 MIMO band support for a hyper-fast 5G experience, and is powered with 5000 mAh battery for a long battery life. The box includes the smartphone, ejection pin, data cable and quick start guide. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.